Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video and today I'll be showing you how to install the Pokemon Go game on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to install the Pokemon Go game or the app on your Android device, first open up the Play Store of your Android device, which is this one, the Play Store on the top of the screen. Let's open the Play Store. And after opening the Play Store, you can see the search bar on the top of the Play Store. Tap over there and type in Pokemon Go and tap on it, and you can see the Pokemon Go on the top of the list. Tap on install over here, and let's wait for the Pokemon Go game to be downloaded and installed on our device. And it has been installed. Let's open it. You can see will be required to enter the date of birth over here on the first interface. And let's submit the birth date. And there, guys, we are a new player over here. Let's create an account with Google, and let's allow the Pokemon to go to allow to sync our contacts. And let's go with this account. And there, guys, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Pokemon Go game on our Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.